no, it's Daisy. Daisy, stop. Cramp, cramp, ow. Actually, 2 cramps. Oh, that hurt. Just missed the turn is all. Put my leg into a branch right where it's already scarred up. Of course. Daisy slow. I'm just going to let you start pulling me instead of... Okay, slow, 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 slow! Oh. Whoop. Wait. Hey, hey. All right, Daisy, come here. Come here. I need you close. Come on. We're just going to walk by, okay? I don't want to feel like trying to ride by with dogs.
Cut out for you there, yeah.
Yep. Yeah, hi. Hi. Yeah. There we go. Wait. Don't go running off. One more log and then we can go running again. Have a good ride. Jesus, Daisy. Daisy, what have I told you about going too fast? Dog! Give me some slack. Jesus. You take those corners way sharper than I can. I've got to go over the damn ruts and around rocks. And you need to give me some slacks for me to do that. You just don't understand why we're not running full tilt all the time. You can't even do that. Daisy, I gotta turn. I try to give you a little bit of warning, dog. Now wait, I'm gonna run right into that thing if I don't take this slow. Whew. We gotta work on our orchestration, Daisy. I mean, honestly, I'd like to do what that lady was doing, just take you off leash. Daisy, slow. Oh my God, I made it. I mean, honestly, I'd rather just have you off leash and we can just do whatever, right? Maybe that would work. I don't know. Oh, it's up. Come on, Daisy, to the right. Come on to the right. Okay, wait up, Daisy. Wait up. You got me starting on the roots. I gotta wait. I gotta get over the roots first. Okay, now we can go. Left. Left, Daisy! Okay, go. I really get tired of these roots, right? What is going on with this? Oh my gosh, the leash got stuck. Okay, here we go. Daisy, I'm sorry. I can't go through these sharp areas with you at full extension. Because I need freedom to lean and turn. And with you at full extension, I don't have that. And then you do this. Come on. I'm getting tired now. Let's just do the thing and get back to the car. I'm sweating. I'm tired. And I'm tired of fucking roots. Jesus. Oh my God. Alright, we made it through them. I don't know how. We did. Daisy, wait for me. I wanted a route that was simple. Daisy, I'm gonna walk this fucker because I'm tired. Okay, let's walk. Walk. Okay, wait for me. Wait, Daisy, wait. All right, let's go. Oh, except I went right into a rut. Okay, now I'm going again. Oh, that's better. I think Daisy's taking the root-heavy path. She seems to choose where the roots are. There's a bird, Daisy! You can't chase a freaking bird! Well, she pulled me over some of the roots. I guess that's good. go on or something. Okay, roots, Daisy, slow. Hey, thank you. Oh, Daisy, careful. A lot of fucking roots right there. Oh. I hope Bubba's doing okay. I haven't had a chance to check on him. Slope, slope. Made it. Okay. Okay, stop here, Daisy. Stop, 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 stop. Stop. That's a Lloyd detour. I think you're right. I think we want to go Lloyd Trail. Yes, this way. Okay, go. You got it. There's the main trail. Clearing parking lot. We're gonna go right, Daisy. Go to the right. Daisy, right. I think your hearing is gone. Yeah, I got water back in the car for you guys. I think this has been a pretty good evening jaunt. Right? There, better. Not so many ruts. Let's remember next time that Lloyd Trail and even that Southern Traverse both have bad ruts. And you can't get onto the Southern Traverse without having to take the Lloyd Trail afterwards. That was me changing gears, Daisy. Here, this way. Pooping out, aren't you, Daisy? Okay, stop. Parking lot to the left. Yes, left, Daisy, left. Stay to the right. Hey. Wait a minute. Daisy, wait. Come on, give me some slack. That was not